Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to configure and test Gmail SMTP server with Magnolia. So let's start and uh, we will do login. The same user credential we will use super user and super user as password. Now we will do login and here we have that profile section. We will do the edit profile because that uh, receiver email we have to set here, so same email I will use for both purpose, like sending emails and receiving. So I will take this backbenchers, yeah, as a receiver email, and same I will use for that SMTP authentication. So this is I have done. Now we will verify this. Yeah, we can see here it is successfully uh, configured here, and now we'll move to the second part, that is password. So here I have already create the password. So same way you can create the password for your Gmail account. That is already I have provided the details in my old video, so you can refer that how we can create the password, or how we can store the password here. So this is already done. I will move to the next part, that is mail configuration. Yeah, so we have mail tool here in tools. I will click on this. Here you can see we in my previous video we have used that open source SMTP server. The same server you can use for your development environment. Now I will remove this entry and I will put Gmail SMTP details here. SMTP Gmail details you can get from Google. The only thing you have to do, you have to write the configuration for Gmail server in Google. So you will get the details what you need to enter in terms of configure Gmail server with your system. So here I will what I will do, I will remove this and I will put smtp dot gmail.com, and I will use 587 as a port, and here authentication I will use the same email because I'm using same email for both the purpose. We'll use control V, and this is, yeah, I will select my password from password manager. Yeah, I will take this one, Gmail, save changes, and here I will use this third option, and now I will save the changes. Now it is successfully saved. Yeah, so that SMTP Gmail server, it is successfully configured here with our Magnolia Author. So what I will do, I will verify the setup whether we have done the correct setup or not. So we will check whether we are able to send the email from Magnolia Author to Gmail server. So I will use this option and I will send test email by clicking this button. Yeah. Yeah, now we can see the message that mail has been sent to given address. So we can say our email successfully sent from our Magnolia Author to Gmail server. So here we can see in the Gmail account we received one email that is coming from test email. Yeah. So this is successfully we have tested and configured uh, Gmail SMTP server. Now I will close this video here. In my new video, we will learn something new. For now, goodbye. Thanks in advance. Please subscribe, like, and comments. Thank you. Thanks once again. Bye bye.